Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna XSE hybrid. Now the most notable features on this XSE is its power sliding rear doors. You have your blind spot monitoring as well as your heated front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna hybrid XSE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XSE is its daytime running lights. And then if you take a look at the front grille, you're going to see your parking sensors over on the side. You have the 20-inch wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And then taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you know that there is another vehicle right beside you. Now, as you can see, it does have the kick assist feature, so if you take a look just down below here, you can actually just see where that little icon is located. So as long as you have the key fob on you at all times, you can just kick underneath the side here, and then the power sliding rear doors will open up for you. As you can see, you have your second row captain seats, and you have the sunshade visors located in the second row windows. The nice thing with these new Siennas is that they have the handle just located in the side here on both the left and right hand side. Basically go from top to bottom just to make things a little bit easier for your kids or for people who have trouble actually getting into the vehicle. Now, the button to close it is just located down below, so all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now, it does offer the jam protection feature, so in the event that the doors does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it will open itself back up. And then if you want to close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more, or if you want, just kick underneath the side there, and it will close for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your gray interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel. You'll also find your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. A couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function as well as the Bluetooth connectivity, volume control, cruise control, lane departure alert, and then you also have the push button start. So all you have to do is push foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. And taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you can go through your messages on here. As you can see, you have the digital speedometer, fuel economy, and then you can also go through and take a look at your compass, lane departure alert, audio, trip info. You'll also find the energy monitor in there as well. Settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off for your cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features, and you'll finish with your messages menu. Taking a look at the center dash as well as the display, you'll find a couple of different features on here. So inside the menu screen, you have your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. With the apps menu, it's part of the N2 app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Temperature control settings located down below, with your rear temperature controls located in the center. Heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB, and you have a little shelf here where you can place some smaller items. Matted to an automatic transmission, as you can see with this center armrest area here. You have your cup holders located in the center here. Your center console or center piece will just be located underneath here with some storage space. But then you also have some space underneath it where you can place some smaller items and a power outlet as well. Taking a look up top, you have the auto-dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener controls. You'll also find the power sliding rear doors and your open and close and tilt up and down feature for the power moonroof, power liftgate release, SOS connect, and then taking a look at the backup camera. As you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, as you can see, you have your backup camera just located on the back here, and you'll find the rear hatch release located in the center. Push on the button once and it will open up for you automatically. Now, closing in on the rear cargo space, you do have a 60-40 split for the rear seat. So if you want to have the seats folded down, just look on the back and you'll see the instructions to actually how how you should actually fold the seats down properly. Even with the 60 side up, you still have plenty of cargo space located down below, and then you also have some space located on the left-hand side as well. The other nice thing is that you do have the power adjustable tailgate, so if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds like you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. However, if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for more than 4 seconds, it'll beep several times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to the maximum height. The other nice thing is that you have the kick assist feature with the power tailgate as well, so all you have to do is just kick underneath the rear bumper and it'll close for you automatically, making things a little bit easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.